Okay, so here we're going to look at a worked example where we're going to calculate the oil in water and then we're going to add it to a regular report. So the objective here is to update an automated report with a new KPI showing the oil in water totalized over a month. To start with, we've got to calculate the water rate because it's not actually measured out of the LP separator. Then we need to find the lab analysis and we need to correct it because it actually comes in with the wrong timestamp. Then we're going to calculate the oil and water rate by multiplying the two together. Then we're going to totalize it each month and then we can update the daily report. So let's look at the first challenge, which is to calculate the water rate. We're going to do this by taking the measured total liquid out of the HP separator, which then flows into the LP separator. We're going to ignore the amount of antifoam that's injected to keep this simple. Then we've got the oil out, which is B. And we're going to assume a shrinkage factor of this oil because some of it turns to gas. We're going to assume it's 0.8. So that means our water flow out, C, is going to be made up of A minus B divided by 0.8. So let's look at how this looks in Ingenuity.